Good evening, students. Today we will discuss about the another important built-in module in Python, date time, using which you can set the date and time, and then in whatever the format you want to display the date and time, you can display it. So let us see what we can do with the help of the date time module. So if you see the code here, first I have imported the date time module. First I have imported the what? Date time module. Then after under this date time, again you have one submodule date time. There you can call the function now. There you can call the function now. Then you print that x. Right, now let me save this and let me run the module. See here, the current the date time has been given. This is the year, and this is the month, and this is the day, and this is the hours, and 13 is the minutes, 15 is the seconds, and the last one is the milliseconds. The last one is the what? Milliseconds. Now you want to access it part wise. You want to access whatever the part you are interested. There are the properties are there. X dot year means then it will display the year which is associated with the X object. What is the year is associated? 2024. Now then after I want to print the month, then you can use the property x dot month run module. Now the month is what? 10. Now if you want to print the day, run module 1. So today is 1, right? The 1. Then after, if you want to print the hours, then you can use the property hour. Then it will display the hours. 19 will be displayed. Now currently it is what? 7, right? Now print x minute. Now you want to know what is the minute. Here hour will be displayed in 24-hour format. Now minute. Now 15 minute. Then after, if you want to print the second, then x dot second, then it will display the second. Right? Similarly, you can have the what? Millisecond also you can display. So what we have done, first we have imported the datetime module. In the datetime there is a submodule datetime. From that I am using the what? Now function. This now function will display the current date and time. Then after, whatever the now function has been written, I am straight away printing it. Then I just want to extract the data which I was interested. If you are interested in year, you can use the property year property. If you are interested in month, you can extract the month property. If you are interested in weekday, that is what the day property you can use. If you want to extract the hour, you can use the hour property. If you want to extract the minute, you can use the minute property. If you want to extract the second, you can use the second property. Now, so I hope you all understand what is this now function. What is this now function? Now, there is another function we have to understand from the datetime module is strf time. strf time. So there are some format specifiers are there which you can use with this strf time, so that you can extract the particular information from that object. Now, the first one is percentage small a. The moment you have mentioned the percentage small a, what is happening is it is going to display the weekday in shorter version. Weekday in shorter version. So weekday in shorter version means if it is a Monday, Monday will be displayed. If it is a Tuesday, Tuesday will be displayed. If it is a Wednesday, Wednesday will be displayed. If it is a Friday, Friday will be displayed. That means the weekday will be displayed under shorter notation. Now today is Tuesday, right? Now let us see how the Tuesday will be displayed. 3 letters, right? So if it is a Saturday, then 3 letters Saturday, SAT will be displayed. That is what the use of the ampersand A. Now if you use the capital A, if you use the capital A, the weekday will be displayed in completely. If it is a today is Monday, then the complete day will be displayed. If it is a Tuesday, complete Tuesday will be displayed. The full version will be displayed. If it is a Wednesday, Wednesday will be displayed. Like that, if it is a Friday, Friday will be displayed. So let's confirm the same by executing it. Run module. See, Tuesday. This is the complete version. Small a is the shorter version. Capital A is the what? Full version. If you use the small a, 3 letters will be displayed in the weekday. So instead of small a, if you use the capital A, it will display the complete weekday. Complete weekday. Now the next format specifier is weekday. Now instead of the day, it will display the number. The day it will display the number. So how exactly means? Listen, here 0 is represented by Sunday, 1 is represented by Monday, 2 is represented by Tuesday, blah blah blah. 5 is used for Friday and 6 is used for Saturday. Now today is Tuesday, right? So the the percentage W will written the what? 2. Run module. See, 2 has been written. Right? Now, so I hope you understand what exactly this percentage W. The percentage W will print the what? Weekday number. So 0 is the smaller number, 6 is the highest one. Sunday is represented by 0. Monday is represented by 1. Like that, the Saturday is represented by 6. Since today is Tuesday, it is going to return the what? 2. Now the next one, you want to print what is the day of this month. What is the day of this month? The day of this month, generally the month value is generally for January it will be in between 1 to 31, for February 1 to 28 or 1 to 29 depending upon the leap year. Now today is what? 1, October 1st. So that means percentage D will display the what? 1. When you run the same thing on October 10 means it will display the 10. Why? Because today's day is what? 10. Today's day is what? 10. So that is what? Percentage D. Now the next one, now see, there are the other format specifiers. Percentage capital B will print the month in fuller version. Then if you see the another one, percentage small m will print the month in number. January is indicated by 1, February is indicated by 2. Now the October, right? October means 10 will come. Now the small y will print the shorter version of the year. That means the last 2 digits in the year will be displayed. Now the current year is what? 2024. 2024. Now 24 will be displayed. If at all you want to display the full year, you can use the what? Capital Y. Then it will display the what? 2024. 2024. So that is what the capital Y. So the next one is, if you want to display the hour in 24-hour format, you can use the what? Percentage capital H. The 19 will be displayed. See here. Right? So that is what? The percentage capital H. Percentage capital H. Now, if at all you want to display the hour in 12-hour format, you have to use the percentage capital I. Now the 7 will be displayed. Clear? So percentage capital H for 24-hour format, percentage capital I for is for what? 12-hour format. Now you also want to display the whether it is a AM or PM, that you can display with the help of the percentage small p. Now it is a PM, right? See, PM, right? Now the another one, if you want to display the minute, you can use the what? Percentage capital M. Similarly, if you want to display the second, you can use percentage capital S. If you want to display the microsecond, you can use the percentage small f. And if you want to display the UTC offset, you can use percentage Z. If you want to display your time zone, you can use the what? Percentage capital Z. If you want to print the day number of the year, you can use the what? Percentage small j. If you want to print the week number of the year, then you can use the percentage capital U. If you want to display the week number as Monday as the first day of the week, you can use the percentage capital W. If you want to print the local version of the date and time, you can use the percentage small c. If you want to print the century of this date, percentage capital C. Local version of the date, again only the date excluding the time, percentage small x. And if you want to display only the local version of the time, you can use the percentage capital X. Now if you want to print only the percentage, you can use the what? Percentage. Now likewise there are the what? Percentage G, percentage U, percentage V are there. Now so far what we have seen the now function and strf time. Now I want to set the date to my custom date. So when you now function will set the object to the what? Current date and time. Now I want to set the object to the customized date. Now here if you see in this example, I am setting the date and time 2020 May month 17th date. So that is also you can do with the help of the date time function, which will take the 3 parameters. The first parameter is the year, the second parameter is the month, the third parameter is the what? Day. Now run module. See. So he has, you haven't mentioned the hours, minutes, seconds. So that's why it has printed the what? Only that. So if at all you want to pass that also, yes, you can mention the other 3 arguments. Let us check, will it accept or not? Yeah, 0 it won't take. Now 9, run run module. Now see the time. Now I set the date as what? 2020 May month 17th 12:09 34 seconds. 34 seconds. Even if you want to pass the milliseconds also, you can pass for the date time. Date time. Now if at all you want to print it again, you can use the properties y dot year. So whatever the properties and the methods we have used, again you can use it here. But what is the difference between the previous one and this one? The previous one we have applied for the current date and time. Now this is what we have applied for the what? Our custom date. Our custom date. Now there is another way also get the current date is there. The function name is, see, now in the date time there is another submodule date, from which we call the today function. Then it will print the current date. Then it will print the what? Current date. So you can use the now function. Now function is available under date time. Today is available under date submodule. That is what the difference you have to understand. That is what the difference you have to understand. See, now function how we have used? X equal to datetime dot now. Then after we have print the what? X. See the difference. So one is printing the what? The current date. The another is printing the what? Current date along with the time. Along with the time. So that is what the difference you have to understand from, between the today and the now function. Today and the now function. Now you want to set the time also. You want to set the time also, for which you can call the what? Time function. So here I haven't passed any argument. Since you haven't passed any argument, so hour will be taken as a 0, minute will be taken as a 0, second will be taken as a 0. See, 0 0 0 0 0 0. Since you haven't passed anything to the time function. For example, if you pass something, now let us pass 12 5 60. Now 59. Now run module. See, now what's the time? 12 5. 12 5. So you can use the time without arguments. When you are using without arguments, what will happen is, by default it will take the hour as a 0, minute as a 0, second as a 0. If you are passing the argument, then whatever the time, whatever the values you have passed for the hour, minute, second, for that values it will set the time. For that values it will set the time. So that is what your time function. That is what your time function. Right? So like this also you can pass. Here in this example, what you observe is, these are all are the what? The keyword based argument. Hour is a keyword, minute is a keyword, second is a keyword. Right? So in this way also you can call the time function. See, right? So there are the different ways are there to use the time function. Now if you see the another example, here I have passed the millisecond also. I have passed the what? Millisecond also. Hours, minutes, seconds, milliseconds also passed. That is what we have seen under D example. Now see the D value. Right? So you can use the time function in a different way. Now the next function we are going to see is date function. The next function we are going to see is what? Date function. Right. Now using the date function, you can create the two dates. You can create the two dates. Now one date I have taken as a what? 2018 month 7 day 12. The another is what? 2017 12th month 23. Now I want to find out the difference between those two dates, and I will print the difference. Let's see how the difference will come. 201 days. That means here when you use the minus operation straight away on the between the two dates, the difference will come in terms of what? Days. For example, let us take 2024. Save it. Now run module 2393 days. 2393 days. Even if you mention the time also, the time difference also will come. So that is what the difference between the two dates. Two dates. Now clear? So in the next class we will see the next topic. Thank you.